This is stock number C80181. It's a brand new 2012 Toyota Tundra. It has a 5.7-liter engine V8 with a 6-speed automatic. It has upgraded fog lamps in the front that are halogen and daytime running lights. It also has upgraded 18-inch steel wheels with off-road tires. The color of it is silver. It gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon. It is a TRD package with an SR5 package as well. It has a 6.5-foot bed. And it also has the upgraded towing package. It has cloth interior that is gray. Lots of room for passengers. It's the double cab. It has heated mirrors, and it comes with power windows and locks, power mirrors, and power seat adjustments with the power lumbar support. The steering wheel includes a hand-free set, as well as cruise control and Bluetooth. It also has plenty of storage room in the center console. Lots of cup holders, dual climate control, AM/FM stereo, CD with a USB and auxiliary port, auto dimming rear view mirror, and let's go ahead and start it up. Your odometer has 12 miles on it, and it also has the backup camera that gives you the parking space as well. Alright, let's go take a look at the engine. There's your 5.7 V8. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us at toyotabutte.com.